Imagine for a moment a life where you're not stressed about money every month. A life where your work is organized, your income grows predictably, and your mind feels clear because you finally understand how money works. Welcome to Financial Literacy. And if you're new here, listen carefully. Every single video on this channel is made to fix one problem. You don't want to waste your life working hard and still feeling financially stuck. If you subscribe right now, I promise you something simple. I will bring you real, practical financial wisdom. The kind that actually changes your life, not just entertains you. Wisdom that gives you confidence, direction, and freedom. And today's video might be the turning point you never expected. Because what I'm about to show you is not theory. People are using Notion AI right now to build real online income, some even entire online empires, so don't skip. What you're about to hear might be the one opportunity that finally fits your life. Everyone talks about ChatGPT. People talk about Midjourney. But almost no one talks about Notion AI as a money-making tool. And here's the twist. Notion AI isn't just an app. It's an entire system, a digital brain that can run parts of your online business automatically. Imagine this. What if you had a personal assistant that worked 24/7, never complained, never forgot a task, and helped you plan, create, sell, and automate almost everything you do online? Would you succeed faster? Would you make more money? Of course you would. And that is exactly why thousands of people are secretly using Notion AI to build digital product businesses, online courses, coaching empires, content agencies, and even fully automated knowledge businesses. While everyone else is overwhelmed, these people are quietly using Notion AI like a cheat code. But the real shock? Most of these people weren't experts. They were beginners who simply used Notion AI to do the hard work for them. So how exactly are they making money with it? To understand, you need to know that Notion AI is a business structure builder. See, ChatGPT gives you answers. Midjourney gives you images. But Notion AI builds the entire system. And systems are what make money. Systems run your tasks, manage your marketing, and track your numbers. That's why people using this tool are growing so fast. They aren't using more time, they're using better systems. Let me show you the exact methods. The first, and easiest, is selling Notion templates. People are selling these on Etsy and Gumroad for $5, $15, even $99 each. Think budget planners, fitness trackers, and content calendars. Most of these templates were generated or organized using Notion AI itself. People are making from $100 to over $10,000 a month selling digital templates. There's no inventory, no shipping, just upload and earn. You get paid for providing clarity and helping people improve their lives. The second method is using Notion AI as a content creation machine. Social media is a battlefield, and people need content every single day. Notion AI can create captions, scripts, topic lists, newsletters, and full schedules. Many people are using it to run content agencies. Imagine offering content management for $500 or even $1,500 a month. Meanwhile, Notion AI helps you write the posts, organize the calendar, and plan ideas. People are using this to manage 10+ clients without burning out. That's how online empires start. But the most powerful method is using Notion AI to organize your entire business. It can build your business dashboard, your task management system, your financial tracker, and your product creation plan. This means you can run your entire online business from one place. Most people fail because they're overwhelmed and have no direction. But when Notion AI organizes everything for you, your life feels clear. Your business becomes predictable. And predictable is profitable. Here's the part that will surprise you. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to be a designer. Notion AI works because it does the thinking for you. You just type what you want, the AI builds the structure, you edit and publish, and you earn. That's why beginners are making money faster than the so-called experts. Listen, you are living in a time where money is being made faster than ever in history. Not because people are smarter, but because they use the right tools. And Notion AI is one of those tools. If you don't learn this now, you will watch others move ahead while you stay stuck. But if you take this seriously, your life can change. Not someday, but starting today. So if you want more videos like this that can genuinely improve your financial life, then like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Your financial freedom won't happen by accident. It will happen when you decide to learn, and I am here to guide you. This is financial literacy, and your journey has already begun.